Okay, so here's an update video for this Honda Prelude here. I've recently polished and clay bar this car here. First thing I did was the hood. That was the worst part. And then I moved along to the hood, to the roof, then to the trunk of the car. As you can see now, looks really good. I'm still not done with it yet. I have to. This side's done, by the way, so this is the only side that I have to do. As you can see, it's nice and shiny, but it's not like up here. So once that's done, that's gonna look really good. Also just did the glass here too, so this is nice and reflective. Another thing I did was to order a pair of these, even though I only needed one, but they were selling a pair on eBay, so I bought the pair. This is the damaged one on this side. If you see, there's some cracks up here on the other side. The finish is pretty nice. Oops, finish is pretty nice, but it's cracked. So I'm considering painting this matte black, since this is pretty chipped here and it's not looking that good. Also thinking about either cleaning this up really well or just painting it matte black as well. Yeah, as you can see, the hood looks really good now compared to before. The roof too is nice and smooth. I took off the visor that's here so I could get it all the way. And you can see the paint difference is darker here compared to here. I'm sure the sun usually, actually I don't even know why this is darker compared to this. Then come around to the trunk. There is some aging here, so the color is not all red. You can see the paint's a bit, I don't know what you would call it, discolored. It's not as red on that spot there, but that's just the aging of the paint. There's nothing I can do there. So that is the update of the car. The car runs good. It passed smogged. Yeah, it passed smog fine. I did that about a week and a half ago. So it's all registered and insured. Next thing I'm gonna do, finish polishing this. Maybe I'll apply a ceramic coating on there and make sure it keeps the paint protected. And once I get the hubcap, I'm gonna throw that on the other side. Maybe I'll rotate the tires from the back to the front, because the back tire does have better tread. So that's it with the update. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more updates, please subscribe to the video, or to the account, and like the video. All right, thanks.